when I hear Canva, I hear money, I hear cash. People are making between $100 to $500 a day using Canva. And guess what? They are not graphic designers, they are not influencers or tech gurus. They are everyday people who have figured out how to turn Canva projects into real, consistent income. Now, if you're like me and you love simple, smart way to make money online, you are going to love this video. I'm going to walk you through one of the easiest ways people are making money online right now using Canva AI. I personally tested this by asking Canva AI to design a simple but professional personal brand logo with just a few lines of prompts. And boom, within seconds, I had multiple beautiful options to choose from. Yes, and the best part, you don't have to be a Canva Pro user to access Canva AI feature. But if you have Canva Pro, that is better. So without wasting much time, let's head over to Canva mobile app. I'm using the mobile version because I know many of you might not have a personal PC or laptop. First, open your Canva mobile app or desktop app if you have one. Make sure you are logged in. If you don't have Canva yet, simply head over to your Google Play Store or App Store, download Canva, and sign up using your Gmail account. I won't be going through the sign up process in this video to avoid making it too long. But the good news is that Canva AI works for both free and pro users. Now, the next step is to access the AI feature. Once you're on the home page, you can see we're on the home page, you will see AI new. The new label is wrapped in a purple color, as you can see it here. Then tap on it, and you'll be directed to the AI workspace. Here you will see the text box that says describe your idea. Now, underneath it, you see other features, social media, photo editor, videos, and the rest. So, but to keep this video short and focused, we won't be going into explaining all this. Our focus for today is logo creation. And the next step is to enter the prompts we are going to be using to create our logo. So, in this work space where it says describe your idea, I will type this prompt. This is the prompt I'm going to type. Create a professional and modern logo for NengiEduhub an educational platform providing online courses, career coaching, and digital skill training. The logo should reflect trust, innovation, and learning. Use a color palette of blue, white, and gold. I prefer a clean, minimal design with an academic or digital symbol. The font should be modern, clear, and readable. Please avoid complicated or complex design. Keep it sleek and adaptable for social media and websites. So once I'm done typing my prompt, I'll click on this arrow here to generate my design. So the AI is thinking now, is trying to think through to give me my design. So one thing I want to tell us is that if you're not good at writing prompts, you can always ask ChatGPT or DeepSeek to help you generate better prompts. As you can see now, I have different design. It generated different design for me. So after generation, I will click on any of them, go through any of them and look for the one I want to use that is okay with, that I'm okay with. I'm going to go with this one now. The first one. Let's go with this one for the sake of this tutorial. Now, I'll click on this use Canva editor. It will take me into the Canva editing interface where I will see different tools at the bottom. This tool allows you to customize your logo. You can change font, color, icon, and more to make it exactly how you want. And again, I won't go into all the editing options to keep this video short, but I encourage you to explore these tools on your own. If I go into all these tools, the tools at the bottom, this video is going to be too long. So I encourage you to explore this tool on your own. So once you're happy with your design, I'm not going to change anything for this, just to make this tutorial very short. So once you're happy with your design, click on the download icon here. So it's downloading. Then I'll click on save. So it is saved to my camera roll. So it will store it in my gallery. So the most interesting part of this tutorial is not just designing. It is how you can actually turn this skill into income. And I believe that's the main reason you click on this video. So I encourage you to stay with me because I will show you exactly how people are making money using simple AI, Canva AI logo like this one. There are so many small businesses out there. Barbers, real estate agents, salons, restaurants, churches that either have bad logos or none at all. Most of them don't even know where to go to or who to ask for design help. Now, you might say, who doesn't know how to use Canva? Who doesn't know how to design a simple logo? Well, I had a similar conversation with someone recently, and I told them this is the kind of assumption that keeps many people stuck. We assume that the skill or knowledge we have is common knowledge, that everyone knows it. But that is not true. We play down on our skills a lot. What you might think is basic or simple, people are willing to pay for. And here is a simple way you can approach businesses. You can send them a simple message like, hello, or dear XYZ, I saw your business and I couldn't help myself. I mocked up a logo concept for you. And boom, once they respond, you follow up with this. I create clean, custom logos for businesses that want to look professional without paying expensive agency prices. If you like it, I can send over the full branding kit, including transparent logo files, fonts, color palettes, and more, all for just, you mention your price tag. This is what we call a no barrier offer. And once they trust you and see the quality of your work, you can upsell additional services like Instagram post templates, business cards, flyers, social media banners, and many more. And all this can be created using Canva. And this is just one of the smart ways you can start making money with Canva and generate passive income. So this is where I will end this video, this tutorial. I don't want it to be too long. And if you got value, please comment, share, like. And I want to say, if you've watched to this stage, thank you so much for your support. And I'll see you in our next tutorial. Bye for now.